Architect Jun, the outgoing president. Yeah. The outgoing president will recite the following. We have the copy of the
Okay. Mr. President, I now turn over to you this gavel as a symbol of authority to preside over the affairs of the chapter. May you use this gavel to conduct your chapter with fairness, justice, and equality to all members. May the great architect in heaven guide you. Good luck and carry on.
coming president. Please recite your please.
I, Ronan Paul B. Leon, with great honor and privilege, do hereby accept this gavel, the symbol of authority, shall be used to govern my chapter with fairness, justice, and equality. I will always preside my chapter in accordance with the framework of the UAP bylaws and its policy, rules, and regulations.
As his first sign of authority, the incoming chapter president will describe the gavel once, then all the architects will stand up. Afterwards, he will strike the gavel twice, then all architects will sit down. Please strike the gavel once. May I request everyone to please stand up?
Architects, please.
Please strike the gavel twice. All architects now may sit down. Congratulations.
Congratulations once again.
Congratulations, Architect Ronan D. Dayo, our chapter president.